Hey folks, I'm heading out to check on something pretty wild today. Whoa, look at this thing, a pink. No wait, that's red under all that dust. This is some kind of old sports car, just sitting out here in the middle of nowhere. How long has this been abandoned? I wonder what happened here. Did someone just park it and walk away? Alright, we're at the shop now. Time to get this thing unloaded and see what we're really working with. Hold on, Spider-Man? This truck has Spider-Man written on the side. Now this is getting interesting. My mission today is simple. Bring this Spider-Man truck back to life by giving it a serious deep clean. Starting with some heavy-duty cleaner here. This thing needs all the help it can get. I'm using a foaming solution because it really clings to all that caked-on dirt. Would you look at that? There's actually a portrait or something under all this grime. I'm working section by section. That's the key to getting everything evenly clean. Gotta watch my shadow there, making sure I don't miss any spots. Now let's tackle the car itself. This Spider-Man vehicle deserves better than looking like this. You think Peter Parker just forgot where he parked? Leave your theories in the comments. There it is, Spider-Man logo right on the side. Someone really loved this car at some point. Starting with the wheels, these red rims are completely hidden under layers of mud and brake dust. I always work from bottom to top so the dirty water doesn't run over clean areas. Man, this dirt is stubborn, but nothing beats a good pressure washer. The spiderweb design is actually becoming visible now. Pretty cool detail. Working my way around the cab, every inch of this thing needs attention. You guys ever found something this unique? Tell me about your craziest finds. Watch how the red paint just pops once you get that grime off. Cleaning the ground around it too. Presentation matters, folks. Side panels are coming along nicely. The transformation is real. Looking good from up here. The truck's starting to shine again. Those windows were completely opaque before. Now you can actually see through them. But we're not done yet. Gotta get every last bit of crud off this thing. Those wheel wells collect so much junk, really getting in there good. See these Milwaukee gloves? They protect my hands from the high pressure spray. Moving up to the roof now, water's gonna cascade down and take the last dirt with it. Back to the wheels for another pass. They're looking almost showroom quality now. The trick is to work systematically. Don't just spray randomly. I'm angling the nozzle to get under all those body lines where dirt hides. Hood's looking great. The red is really popping now. Check out that spider web pattern on the side. Someone put real work into this design. Front end's next. The headlights were barely visible under all that muck. Precision work on these lights. Gotta be careful around the electronics. The paint job is actually incredible once you can see it. Classic Spider-Man colors. Back to the wheels one more time. These discs are surprisingly red underneath. Alright, setting down the pressure washer for a second. Let me assess what's left. The web design is completely visible now. This is some serious custom work. Just a few more spots to hit. We're in the home stretch here, folks. Look at this, from abandoned eyesore to recognizable Spider-Man tribute truck. One more good rinse to make sure all the soap residue is gone. Now I'm gonna hit it with some colored foam. This stuff really helps lift stubborn stains. The foam cannon attachment makes this so much easier than doing it by hand. Now I'm using a brush for the really stuck-on stuff. Sometimes pressure alone won't cut it. Good equipment makes all the difference in this kind of work. foam coverage. The whole surface is getting treated evenly. You can see where the foam is dripping down, carrying all that dirt with it. Even the gravel underneath gets some attention. Why not, right? See these drain holes? They need attention too, or water gets trapped inside. Nice even application all the way around. That's how the pros do it. Wheels always take extra time. So much brake dust builds up in there. Fresh water running clear means the dirt is finally coming off. Now hitting the front grille. Bugs and road grime love to hide in here. Rinsing the sides now. Watch all that foam just slide right off. Final rinse coming in hot, literally blasting from above. The water pressure is doing exactly what it's supposed to do here. Making sure every bit of soap is gone, don't want water spots. The windshield and hood are getting extra attention. High visibility areas. Roof rinse is crucial. Water needs to sheet off properly. Almost there now. The truck is looking dramatically different. Side panels are getting their last wash. Every inch matters. Lower body work too. That's where all the road splash hits. The door windows are crystal clear now compared to before. Working the middle section, keeping that nozzle moving constantly. Hitting those hard to reach spots around the door frame. You can really see the Spider-Man theme now, red and black with the web design. Undercarriage wash is important too. Gets rid of mud and salt buildup. Top-down rinse to finish it off. Water flows naturally this way. The spider graphic on the hood is fully visible now. Actually looks pretty awesome. Final touches on the front bumper and wheels, making sure it's perfect. Last rinse on the front wheel, those red rims are gleaming. Just look at that Spider-Man sports car now compared to when we started. Mission accomplished. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, smash that subscribe button and let me know what vehicle I should clean next. Thanks for watching, folks.